Hi, welcome to Richard Gabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to remove keyboards on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X, from your home screen first, go to Settings. Then in the Settings, scroll down and click the General. Then in the General, scroll down and click the Keyboard. Then after that, in the keyboards, select again the keyboards. Then in this part, if you want to remove the list of keyboards that you were added, just click the edit that were located on the upper right corner of the screen, then tap. Then if you want to remove the list of country or the keyboards that you were added, just select the negative sign located on the side of the keyboards. Then after that, tap the delete. Just like that. And if you want to remove again the Albanian, just click the negative sign, then tap delete. And that's it. We have successfully removed keyboards on iPhone X. If you have a question, can you comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!